On today's adventure, my daughter Adiella and I are soaking up the beauty of the Pecos River. We're spending some quality time together, and my goal is to help her grow in confidence as a fly fisher, hopefully landing a fish all on her own. Join us for a peaceful day full of learning, laughter, and maybe a big catch. Look. Oh, that's a big one. See him?
Ooh.
What's that? A stonefly nymph. See that? Another one here. Let's put them back.
Look, I got one. Get my my net, please. What's that? A rainbow? You got him off the flash flake? Orange flash flake. All right, I'm coming to you. Uh-oh, what happened to my net? Oh, it's time to get a new one, a new mesh. Scoop them up. There you go. Yeah, I knew there would be some fish on that side. Yeah. You want to hold them and release them? Okay, you're going to wet your hands and grab them. Okay. Let me grab them. Wet your hands. Okay, go ahead. All right, good job. Okay. All right, we're gonna find some slower water where you can fish, okay?
Okay.
Okay, where do we want to fish? We don't want to fish here. We want to fish over there, right? That's too fast. So a little more to the bank, near the bank. But not where it's fish, right there. That's where we want to fish. Okay? We're just seeing if there's fish in here. Yeah, we keep trying. Right there.
The runoff is very fast, which made it very hard to locate the fish today.
We're gonna eat some cantaloupes and some apples as a snack. Rejuvenate. Cantaloupe. We tried about 2 spots, but fishing seems to be slow. I think it might have to do with the runoff. It's pretty fast. We'll be looking for some slower, deeper pockets. Keep searching for some fish. Hold on, Adi, watch me first. Let me finish. That one. Yay! Watch out, pull your line out. Oh, lost him. Came loose. Yeah. That was fun. Oh, watch it. Just hold it. Let me fix my line and then we'll try again, okay? Yeah, you go and cast. Hold on. Let's give you some more line out. Excited, I turned the camera off instead of on. Addie had one on, but she lost it. A brown. Keep trying, Addie. Hey, careful. Listen. When you get it, strip them in or put them on your reel. Okay? And keep tension on him. The way you do that is by keeping your rod tip high. Okay? Oh, good job. We both lost one. Addie got another. Yes, reel him in. I'm coming. Keep your tip. Keep it up. Yeah, good job. Yeah, you got him. Brown trout. Bring him over here. Keep him out of that water. No, your tip is, keep your tip up. There you go. Yay. You did it. Got a little brown there of the green perdigon. Pretty brown trout. Hold on, let me put my rod down. You can't see him, he's so small. Let me see. See if I can get. Oh, no. He's gone. That's okay. Nice release. Hey, Addie. Hey. I'm glad you just caught one. I missed the rainbow and you caught a brown trout after missing one. Good job.
Yeah.
You want to go find a different spot or do you want to go to the pond? Okay, we can go check it out real quick. We're gonna head on over to Cowell's Pond and see if Addie can catch something in there. All right, we'll see you then.
As we were walking to the parking lot, I decided to do one more cast.
Oh, got one. Rainbow. There we go. Oh, come on. Yay. No, I have now. You can, yeah, if you want to, you can report. Oh, it says that? Oh. Little stalker here. There you go. Get some line out. Go like this. Get up behind you. And there you go. Oh, but you got grass on there. You gotta get it off. Once you get that hook set, make sure you're up here. You're not down there. Yep, up, set. There you go. Up. Reel him in. Reel him in. Reel him in. Good job. Reel him in. Reel him in. And then pick it up so it comes towards me. Good job. Rainbow. Got him on the chironomid. Let's get it out of his mouth. Alright, Eddie. And then let him go, okay?
Okay.
What do you think? One more, or you want to call it quits? You want to try for a bigger one?
Okay.
Let's give it one more try. See you again. Set. Oh. Oh, buddy. He's still on. Good job. Uh-oh. Look what's going on. Strip. Use the strip instead. He's stuck. He's not going anywhere. Put through your finger here. There you go. Because your line got... Oh. Okay. Okay, pick your tip up so he comes towards me. Oh. Good job. See, it's a bigger one. Yeah. Good hook set. Oh, it's smacking me. That's good. It's the hook. No, it's right on the upper lip. Where is it? I can't see it. It came loose. Good job. You want to release it?
Yeah.
All right. Wet your hands here.
Uh-oh.
He's gonna slip out. Yeah. Good job. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Good job.
Oh.
I say today was a great adventure.
Me too. I had so much fun.
Yeah. What was fun about today's trip?
Going in the water.
Going in the water. How about catching some fish?
Yeah.
What else?
I liked the nature out there. It was nice.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Pecos is very beautiful. We had a great day. We both caught fish. And I'm thankful to be able to go out with Adiella and have a great time. Well, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, to leave a comment, and to subscribe. We'll see you on the next adventure. Fish on!